want to start, Steph, with something that you and I have been talking about all week long, these stimulus checks that people are expecting from the government. Pete on Instagram asks this: do unemployed people or people that work cash jobs get a bailout check? What's your answer to that?
Well, it depends. This is different from unemployment. If you're already receiving unemployment, great. If you want to start receiving unemployment payments, I want you to fill out the forms and apply now because there's a big onslaught. But as far as the stimulus goes, it depends on your income level. If you file your taxes with just $2,500 or less, then you're going to be eligible for a check for $600. Now, for those who make up to $75,000, expect a payment of $1,200 and $500 for each kid. That number starts to phase out as you move up, at $99,000 being the cap. So this check is really to help people, just give them a boost through this shock to the system. Remember, no one was planning for this. It's almost like a natural disaster.
Yeah, Congress still negotiating the final details on that. A lot of questions, Steph, on relief as well. This one comes to us on Facebook from Connie Sue. She asks, is something coming soon to suspend mortgage payments for a few months? Whether it's your mortgage, your credit cards, your car payments, what's on the horizon?
All right, well, I've got some good news here. You're going to have to pick up the phone and call your credit card company or mortgage company. But guess what? They're most likely expecting your call. I spoke to the head of J.P. Morgan Chase's private bank, and she said to me, Stephanie, we do not want our customers to suffer. We want them to be our customers for life. So whether you're talking Chase, Bank America, Citi, take your pick. The majority of banks out there, most of them insured by the FDIC, are expanding what we owe. You're not having to pay a penalty right away. You're not going to get a ding to your credit report. At least 60 days in some cases. Your mortgages, you said it, your credit cards, your car loans. So that matters. You should even call your landlord if you're a renter. Now, I won't say it's universal, but we're even hearing stories of landlords out there giving people a month or two break.
A lot of people are going to be heartened to hear that. What about student loans, Steph? We know the president had some news about student loans.
He did, and think about this. We've got trillions in student loan debt around this country, and that matters. The president announcing yesterday there will be a 60-day waiver. Payments will be delayed, but you have to pick up the phone and call. None of these things are automatic. I'm not saying don't open your mail, don't look at the inbox coming with your bills. You've got to pick up the phone. If it is a loan, a federal loan by the government, you're going to get that waiver. That's a big positive.
Steph, a lot of people are wondering at a time like this, should they be taking cash out of the bank, keeping it at home right now? What's the best advice you give to folks who are trying to sort through that?
This is really important because people who are looking at their 401ks and they're just looking at the markets, they're in panic. And it's true, the markets right now are scary. This isn't a time, I would say, to roll the dice. But the money you have in the bank, I'm talking your savings account, your checking account, that's very different. So whether you have an online bank or a traditional brick and mortar, up to $250,000, that's more than most people have in the bank, is federally insured. So your money in the bank is safe as can be. Where people are getting a little bit confused, Peter, are reports of people kind of clearing out ATMs. Now, it's no surprise if you live in a city or a state where there's more restrictive measures on how you can move around. A lot of people are taking a little extra cash out of the ATM, but that's more for personal security. It's nothing you have to do, so I wouldn't be worried.
Yeah.